So you want to know where I got this beautiful dress from and what I did with my unwanted but good clothes? Then stay tuned till the end of this video to find out. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my personal swapping experience with the thrifting platform swapfashions.com. Hey everyone, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Devki and the name of this channel is Dee's Planet. This is a channel where I make videos about sustainable lifestyle, one small step at a time. So if this is something that interests you, then please do consider subscribing. For all my returning subscribers, a very big thank you for showering me with your love and affection, because this is what motivates me to keep making more content for this channel. But first of all, what is thrifting? Thrifting is shopping for clothes and accessories, but with a slight twist. All the items being sold at a thrift store are pre-loved items, which means they have already been used before, but they are in great condition, so they can be used further. Thrifting is not a new concept. You will find a lot of thrift stores in the West, but in India it is relatively a new concept. Hence, I wanted to make this video to spread the awareness. I'm a big fan of Marie Kondo's style of decluttering the wardrobe. Having read both of her books, I like to declutter my wardrobe from time to time to get rid of all those items which no longer spark joy. So on one such decluttering expedition, I was left with quite a few items which were in great condition but which I wanted to get rid of, and I didn't know how. All these clothes were from good brands and some of them were even sparsely used. In the past, I have donated my Indian wear to mostly NGOs such as Gunj, or given them away to my house help. But this time I was left with quite a few Western wear, and somehow donating these made no sense to me because I was not sure if these clothes would actually be used. So for me, the best option was a thrift store, and I started looking for thrifting platforms, and that's when I came across swapfashions.com. Swap Fashions is an online portal where you can donate your pre-loved clothes, and for all these clothes you get some points. Using these points and by paying a nominal handling fee, you can get an altogether new wardrobe. Isn't that cool? Swapfashions.com is an online portal. Click on Start Swapping Now on the home page to get started. Now there are two options available for you. You can request for a free pickup of your clothes, or you can choose to send clothes on your own. So I selected the first option. So I had to fill up a form on the website, filling in my address details to request for that free pickup. By the time I had pressed the submit button, I received a call. Stuti from Swap Fashions was on the call, explained the entire concept behind Swap Fashions and what I can expect and how the entire system works. So she told me to pack them together and weigh my parcel. After weighing my parcel, I was told to measure my parcel dimensions, which I promptly passed on to Stuti, who generated a shipping label which I was to print and stick onto my parcel. The weight of your parcel should not exceed 2 kgs if you are requesting for a free pickup. She also emailed me a manifest for the courier person to be printed and taken a signature on, just to keep it as a proof that the parcel was actually picked up. The very next day, the courier guy arrived at my doorstep and picked up my parcel. So you see, the first part was done and it was so easy breezy. After 2 days or so, I received an email from Swap Fashions that I had received a total of 10,000 points for my clothes, which were promptly added into my account. Now all I needed to do was to make a purchase on their website using these points and by paying a nominal handling fee. So the website was very easy to navigate. There are multiple categories such as women, kids, accessories, etc. And under each category, there are subcategories such as under women, they have tops, bottoms, jackets, dresses, jumpsuits, Indian wear, and so on. I placed an order for 4 items and I was waiting patiently to receive my order. So finally, after a couple of days wait, I received my Swap Fashions order. The order arrived in this repurposed cardboard box. And my most favorite part, this little newspaper envelope which had my name on it. Inside the envelope was this cute little note made using alphabets cut off from the newspaper. All the clothes inside of it came wrapped neatly in paper and wait for this, stuck together with a paper tape. How thoughtful is that? All the clothes smelled great and were neatly folded, and from the packaging itself you could make out that they were making maximum efforts to keep this as sustainable as possible. Number 1. Thrifting helps you save money. All of us love to dress up, wear nice clothes, look good. But branded clothes cost you money, sometimes a lot of money. But when you shop from a thrift store, you get the same branded clothes at less than half their original price. Number 2. Thrifting helps you say no to cheap and fast fashion. Let me tell you how. Did you know fashion industry is the second largest polluting industry in the world? Take any of your favorite fashion houses and see the number of collections that they come up with in a year. Fashion trends change almost every week, and with constant advertising and strategic marketing, they always make us believe that we need newer and newer clothes because our clothes are going out of fashion. So this entire mad rush has to end somewhere, and that is where thrifting comes in handy. When you shop from a thrift store, you are effectively saying a no to these cheap and fast fashion because you are elongating the life of all these pre-loved clothes. Number 3. Thrifting helps save the environment. Manufacturing of new clothes is not exactly great for the environment. Let me tell you how. A lot of energy goes into the manufacturing of new clothes, right from the procurement of raw materials to the production processes. Textile manufacturing processes also make use of a lot of harmful chemicals and caustic soda and crude oil byproducts. All these chemicals which are used in the manufacturing are usually dumped around the manufacturing units, thus contaminating the groundwater through soil runoff. Also, did you know one of our most favorite fabric, cotton, is a highly water intensive crop, and it requires the use of heavy pesticides in order for the cotton plant to thrive. But when you buy second-hand clothing, you are actually saving on all these energy and resources. Plus, you are elongating the life of your clothes, thus reducing the demand for manufacturing of new clothes. Thrifting also helps you give a second life to all those clothes which would have otherwise ended up at a landfill. So to sum up my own thrifting experience, I had to pay a nominal handling fee of 1,200 rupees, in which I made my closet lighter by 8 items and managed to get 4 new pre-loved items for my closet. Am I going to try this again? Definitely yes. I think it was a great experience which I would definitely love to repeat. I think the best part about thrifting for me is the fact that you can swap these clothes back on their platform once you're done wearing them, and this way you can have an infinite wardrobe with a guilt-free shopping experience. Isn't that amazing? Okay, all of this is fine, but let me address the elephant in the room. I know many of us have a mental block about giving this a try. How do I wear someone else's clothes? Isn't that disgusting?
skeptical when I first heard about thrifting. So let me explain it to you the way I got convinced. So when you go to a store and take the clothes to a trial room to try them out before buying, do you think you are the only person who has ever tried those clothes on? Obviously not. Hundreds of people would have tried those clothes on before you, and hundreds of people are going to try those clothes on after you. So in this entire process, you never know. People may have dropped these clothes on the floor accidentally or put them in their dirty shopping bags. So basically, you don't know what all surfaces those clothes may have actually touched. Yet we happily pay a hefty price and fool ourselves in thinking that we are getting brand new, very clean clothes. But do you know what's the worst part? Before the clothes leave the factories where they are manufactured, all the clothes are sprayed with some pretty nasty chemicals which gives them that unique fresh smell which we have gotten so used to associating with new clothes. Now consider the clothes that you get from a thrifting platform like Swap Fashions. First and foremost, you can be sure that all these clothes do not contain the harmful chemicals because these are pre-loved clothes, and all these chemicals would have of course been washed away when they were washed by their previous users. Swap Fashions has a pretty high standard for accepting items to be displayed on their website. That means they are not going to accept any torn clothes or dirty clothes or clothes which are in a bad shape. Whenever you send any of your pre-loved items, they steam these items. Also, whenever anybody places an order for a particular item, before shipping that product, those items are steamed again. So you see, each item gets steamed 2 times, and steaming is almost like disinfecting the items. Now, despite all this, if you're still not comfortable, then you can always wash these clothes once you receive your order before you actually wear them. But please take my advice and please give this a try. And once you get over your mental block, you yourself will realize that this is not all as bad as you imagined. Okay, so that's it for today guys. I do hope you liked this video. If you did, then please remember to click on that like button right at the base of this video, and please share this video with your family and friends or anybody else and let them know about thrifting. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please also subscribe, and when you do, please remember to click on that small yellow bell icon button which is right at the base of this video, because that will give you notifications each time I upload a new video. I would like to end today's video with a note that I received with my order from Swap Fashion. It is time we make swapping our new shopping. Until next time, bye-bye.